Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find a product in a store on the Kiko Milano application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the shop button down below, which is the second option. Select a category, a subcategory. Here you can find the types of products such as steel, eyelash curlers and so on. So tap on a product that you are interested in and would like to check out its availability in a nearby store. Scroll down and store, which is in the middle of the screen right now, in the right side of the screen. And after that, till it's loaded in, you will be able to select a store, which might take a few seconds. Tap on this enter city or postcode. Here you can find the results and tap on select store. Tap on accept. And if you tap on it again, the find in store button, you will be able to see whether the product is available there or not. So here you can see the result. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.